Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Sumit E14 Flip Evo A12 notebook. So friend, MSI has unveiled the Sumit E14 Flip Evo A12, a 14-inch business notebook PC which is featuring a 360-degree rotating flip display, and friend, it uses a 16 Gen 10 aspect ratio golden ratio display which provides a larger display area than standard notebook PCs, and friend, it offers resolution of 2880 into 1800 dots and color fidelity that compatible to DCI P3, which is ideal for video production. It also accepts pen input via the MSI Pen active stylus, and friend, the major features include a Core i7 1280p processor with 14 cores and 20 threads, Intel Iris Xe graphics, and memory up to 32 GB on board, and storage up to 1 TB M.2 NVMe SSD among others. And friend, the Windows 11 Pro is installed on the system, and friend, battery features a built-in 72-hour 4546 mAh lithium-ion battery with a driving life of up to 12 hours according to the manufacturer, and in addition it is equipped with 2.07 million pixel web camera, a Japanese keyboard with a built-in single color backlight, a fingerprint authentication reader, and Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Gen.2 Type-A, microSD card reader, HDMI output, and other interface are included. And friend, the exterior measurements are 314 mm in width, 227.5 mm in depth, 17.9 mm in thickness, and 1.6 kg in weight. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at 1575 USD dollar. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.